In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add another Facebook account so that you have several profiles or several accounts. To do so, it is quite easy. Just log into your Facebook account and then head over to your profile. And as you can see, my profile picture is up here. Tap on it and then scroll down until you see an option called Logout. So don't worry, just go ahead and click on it and then confirm Logout. We should be able to get back to our account easily. And as you can see, I have this current account, and from here we can now go ahead and use another account. If you want to have several accounts or several profiles, we can go ahead and add another by just tapping on use another profile. And here we go. If you already have another Facebook account that is existing, just go ahead, enter the email or phone number and then the password. However, if you want just to create another new Facebook account so that you have a second one, just go ahead and use the option called create new here. In my case, I already have an existing account, so I'll just go ahead and log in and add on this. So I'll enter my email and then my password and log in now, and then tap on continue, and you'll receive a code on your email to confirm that it is you. In case you didn't receive the code, you can just click on send code again and then it will be resent. Now I'll go ahead and enter my password and then click on login. And now here I'm asked to save my login details. If you wanted to log in just temporarily, don't save your login information. However, if this account is yours and the gadget is yours, you can go ahead and save it so that Facebook will always remember each and every time you want to interchange the accounts. So you can continue with all this or skip and finish them later as you wish. So I'll skip them. And now here I'm logged into my new Facebook account that we have just entered the details. So once you're logged in, you can now interchange between the accounts or the profiles each and every time you so wish. To do so, just head over to these ellipses here and then use the down arrow here. If you tap on it, you can revert back to your previous account. So you can either choose log into another account and then you'll be able to switch between the accounts. This is the page I have on this account, and as you can see, my account is the one ticked. If I want to switch to my previous account, I can just use this option, log into another account, and if I tap on it, now you see I have two. I can interswitch between the two and then continue. So each time I want to interswitch between the accounts, I can easily do so by just interswitching here. So that's how you create another profile on your Facebook app using your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.